Hi, I'm Emma, and I would like to explain how to measure for JOBST ready-to-wear circular knit garments. This measuring guideline demonstrates how to measure JOBST ready-to-wear circular knit garments. This measuring standard does not replace any formal training on treatment of lymphatic and venous diseases or lipedema. Please consult your doctor or therapist for the required compression class and style. Medical compression garments should only be used after consultation with your doctor or therapist and checked regularly by them on the appropriateness of your therapy, also considering age and health status. Patient measurements should be taken by a trained person to ensure the correct product size needed and to decide whether a made-to-measure or ready-to-wear garment is required. When reordering a garment after 6 months, we recommend remeasuring, as the limb circumference might have changed. Before you start to measure for JOBST ready-to-wear circular knit garments, you will need the following: a measuring tape, a pen, and, if you are a healthcare professional, an order form. In this video, we will show you how to measure for waist-high products. All measurements should be taken without tension. For waist-high products, we need to measure circumference A, Y, B, B1, C, D, E, F, G, length K, circumference H, and T. Circumference A is measured at the base of the toes, at the widest part of the foot. Circumference Y is taken around the heel to the front crease, at maximal dorsal flexion. Circumference B is measured just above the malleoli, at the narrowest part of the ankle. Circumference B1 is measured at the insertion of the Achilles tendon into the calf muscle. Circumference C is measured at the greatest calf circumference. Circumference D is measured 2 fingers below patella at pre-patellar bursa. Circumference E is measured over the middle of the patella. The leg must be flexed up to 30 to 45 degrees. Circumference F is measured mid-thigh. Circumference G is measured at the widest part of the thigh while in a standing position. Circumference H is measured over the widest part of the hips, while the feet are next to each other. Length K is measured up to the crotch. Circumference T should be measured just above the belly button. Once the measurement is completed, please plot the measurements onto the sizing chart of the desired product and style to determine your size. Highlight the sizes on the chart that the measurements fit into. Once the sizes are plotted, choose the size that all measurements fit into. In this example, it is size 3, regular leg. If the measurements fall within 2 different categories, the most appropriate size should be selected based on the measurements CA, CY, and CB, closest to the middle of the range within the size category. If the measurements do not fit into one size, we recommend reaching out to a healthcare professional for a made-to-measure garment. To order the garment in case you're a patient, please look for the closest JOBST distributor in your area. To order the garment in case you're a healthcare professional, please go to the JOBST e-shop or follow the instructions on the order form.